Hey guys, how you doing? We got stuff. This is well,
It's stuff for me.
it's stuff for Courtney. So yeah, from what I understand, she got a couple things that's going to add horsepower to her WRX. And
Extra speed.
yeah, and this one's just something basic, right?
Yeah.
It more or less a decoration than it is
yeah.
a.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is I'm going to tilt you down, and then we're going to get this open. We'll see what it is. Sound good? So let's get you guys down here. There we are. We do have a couple of things. So do you want to do the honors?
Yes. It's like Christmas. Or Hanukkah for some.
Other end.
I like this one.
That's where there's product.
Fun. Yeah, alright. It's not my first rodeo.
Okay. So,
That's not it.
wait a second.
That's not decorative at all.
What? You lied to me.
I might have.
What? Why? That was not supposed to happen like
It's a
that.
shirt.
That was a.
We'll be right back.
Guys, she. Why didn't?
Here we are.
What?
Supplies.
How?
WRX supplies.
How'd you do that?
I needed the proper apparel to be able to do this one.
Okay, I guess we're opening multiple things tonight. So, all right. Is this
Where
what
did this
you
come from?
Is this what you thought? That came from Jack.
This.
Yes, that came from. The scissors came from Jack.
This came from Amazon.
Yeah, not from Jack. That came from Courtney. So, why did you let me think that was something else?
Oh, I'll cry about it.
I think
I
I
can't
am.
get into this thing. It's like bubble wrap everywhere.
Oh look, we got boxes.
And a thingy. You gonna let me open it?
Yeah,
My top.
I was just seeing if it was tape, and it looks like it just pops open, so that should be easy enough. Is that your bill?
Well, that's not what I thought it was either. Maybe there's two things in here. I knew that.
Okay, so
Hold on. Let's check this
but
out.
you gotta get in the frame.
Okay.
All right, let's tilt you down so we can see what we got here.
Do it really slow. Can anybody guess what that is? If you can't, you're kind of special. Okay. We've got two of them.
Well, you have a rear view mirror, so that's not it. So,
Oh.
what is that? Looks nice.
That's
Ooh.
some nice little carbon fiber for your pleasure.
There we go. So, you got two? Because I guess we have two license plates,
Yeah,
right?
New Jersey, you have to do one in the front and one in the back.
All right, so... What? There's more stuff?
So apparently I bought something from the same place.
Oh, here, let's...
Yes. I got two things from the same place. Didn't know it was the same place. But here is number 2. You probably can't see that at all. But it's a decal. It's a window decal that says Subi Nation. Pow.
Where are you putting that? Front? Back?
I think I'm going to take a look at it in the front.
Driver's side window?
I don't know. We'll have to check it out.
Let's see if we can get this up here from the say it. We'll do a small scroll here. Here we go. Maybe you guys can see that. I'll back up a little bit.
It's better when it's dark. Woohoo!
All right, there you are. And that's the full size. It's a little bit bigger than
It's about 2 feet.
a little bit bigger than a license plate. Oh wait, that actually looks pretty good there. Sorry for my thumb. I'm all thumbs.
All right, so let's go ahead and get these things installed.
We're installing sticker and license
No.
plate, or just license plate?
Just license plate for now. We'll wait on the sticker, make that.
All right, so we're going to go out and, well, we are going to go out, but she's going to put these on. So, you guys ready? All right, I'll meet you on the other side.
Here we are. We're gonna make this work.
What size do you have?
I don't know. It's a snap-on size. It's a 5.
It's a 10 millimeter.
I don't see 10 on here anywhere. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, the big 1-0.
All right, that was great. So it's a 10.
10
Is
millimeter?
that universal across all license plates?
Most, yeah.
Great.
It's basically a common sheet metal screw. So.
Okay, so you start by removing this one. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. One down, 25 to go.
So you're going to be happy to get rid of,
Kia?
yeah.
Yes. Stupid Kia.
Up, found the dirty spot. Look, guys.
Oh, boy.
She's horrible at washing her car. Look at all that dirt.
Oh, please. I don't have much time being a sugar mama and all, you know.
Yeah. All right, so here we go.
Alright, so don't damage your car. Put your license plate. Does it matter which side is which? It goes like that. That's on the bottom. So I'm putting the thicker one on the bottom. There we go. Like that. Okay. Take your bolt. Put it in the hole. Okay, got it started. Take your wrench, you move it on the other way. Another one. Get it started. How tight do these need to be?
Tight enough not to fall off.
But not tight enough to break it. It's carbon fiber, people.
It's carbon plastic.
Oh. All right. And there you go. That's pimp. Before, after.
All right.
And then we gotta do the front.
So now we're gonna swing around to the front and let's go do this. And here we go.
Okay, those are different.
Okay, so what do we need for those?
We need a Phillips screwdriver.
Okay, so let's go get that and we will be right back. We're back, we got a screwdriver.
So here we go. We'll get right to it.
Stop screwing around.
Lefty loosey, people. Don't lose your screw.
You'll be screwed. Let's see if we can get you in there.
This one's broken. The car is still cooling down from me coming home from work. You can hear it clicking. All right. There we go.
The back. Hopefully that doesn't mean somebody backed into you already. Because it was hit hard enough for the screws to be dented. Alright, same thing, just in reverse.
Yep.
Hold the bottom with your other hand, it'll be a little bit easier for you.
How about that? This one only has 2 screws.
Mm-hmm.
So what am I going to do with the other screws?
Well, like the other people around here, they just leave them in the street.
Yeah.
But we'll throw ours away.
Yeah, I'm better than that. There.
Alright, so there we go.
Before? After. Better.
Let's see. You know, that does match really well with the grill. So, all in all, what do you think?
It's amazing. It matches the interior. It's going to match something else when that gets added. I'm completely satisfied.
So what do you think? 15 horsepower?
At least. At least.
Okay. Well, there you go. So guys, don't forget, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, comment. Subscribe if you aren't. Don't get hit by a car on my street. And don't forget, guys, get in your car. Keep driving. Have a nice one, guys. See ya.